animals in this giant Lego head. Purple hippo. White polar bear. Green grasshopper. Blue narwhal. Green frog. Blue beetle. Brown bald eagle with a white head. Gray rhinoceros. Brown monkey. Blue fox. Yellow ducky. Orange fish. Red ant. Blue shark. Red owl. Gray elephant. Pink piggy. Black, red, and yellow snake. Gray gorilla. Purple hippo. White polar bear. Green grasshopper. Blue narwhal. Green frog. Blue beetle. Brown bald eagle with a white head. Gray rhinoceros. Brown monkey. Blue fox. Yellow ducky. Orange fish. Red ant. Blue shark. Red owl. Gray elephant. Pink piggy. Black, red, and yellow snake. Gray gorilla. Thanks so much for learning animals and their colors in this giant Lego head. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and check out any of these fun learning videos.